So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to use replay in tradingview. So first of all, open any web browser and then type tradingview.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you just have to click on these three bars and then click on products. Now choose chart plus. So let's say guys, you want a replay of Apple stock, then you just have to select it and then click on this button right here called replay. Now guys, you can choose the speed that in which speed you want to see, and you have to choose the start button. Let's say I want to start from here, and now you can just click on play button, and as you can see, it is showing me in the normal speed the replay of the Apple stock chart. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.